Hey, what's up guys? This is Rick. So today I'm going to talk about artificial intelligence. So let's start and into the matter. AI, that's mean artificial intelligence. AI intelligence demonstrated by machines unlike the nature intelligence displayed by humans and animals, which is involves consciousness and emotionally. So guys, artificial intelligence is a robot just like we like a human, like us. Okay, so that feels really great. Tesla company cars is a great example for artificial intelligence, and that car can be driven by without a driver. It's really great thing. That's car without driver. So just like Sophia robot that can talk like us, a human robot that's totally programming by artificial intelligence and much more. As a great example, daily life we use YouTube. So do you know if you search something in YouTube, that's in a home page some kind of related video always showing you. So that's mean artificial intelligence, the machine learning that's called it. So that is the other section of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence robots can learn you what you want, what you know, just everything. So that's called the artificial intelligence. Some people think artificial intelligence are going so great. That's mean after a period everything will be human, not like a robot, and they will making a kingdom, just type of such of things. But it will not happen at this time, that century. But we should be promote this artificial intelligence because that's our future. Now let's talk about our modern games. That's mean AAA title games with daily lives is much more increased the money, and this field is going to so much craziest. So that's mean this field have something. So their main success behind one thing is their graphics, their artificial intelligence works. That's mean your opponent, how he will be work, how he will behave like something. This all this artificial intelligence by model. So that's thing going so much awesome. Artificial intelligence one of part will be after the future. So best I think is it going to be great. So we should be enhanced at more as possible. So that's will going so much great, and that solves a lot of things, and our lots of hope will do something in the future. Thank you guys. This is Rick, and I will back again with any other video. Bye bye.